Hello friends, welcome back to another video. In this video guide, I will show you how to fix PlatyGuard Swarm Slayer game crashing, not working, not loading, or not opening, lagging, or other issues on Android phone. So let's jump to the solutions. So the very first method is to restart your device once. So press and hold volume up plus power button and you will get a restart option. Simply click on a restart. Now the steps may be different to restart your device. Now after restarting your phone, check if the game is working or not. If not, next is to check your internet connection. So make sure your internet connection is stable and not fluctuating. If you are using mobile data, go to Wi-Fi and do vice versa, and then check if the game is working or not. If not, next is to close background apps. So if there is any background apps running, you are suggested to close it, and after that, for that, click on the three line icon and simply click on the close option, and this will close any background apps that is running. Now after that, launch the game and check. If not, next is to force stop the game. For that, click and hold the game icon over here. Now click on app info, then click on force stop and then click on OK. So this will force stop the game. After that, check if the game is opening or not. If not, next is to clear cache of the particular game. So for that, click on storage and cache option over here. Now click on clear cache and then check if PlatyGuard Swarm Slayer game is opening or not. If not, you should also check if the game needs any kind of update. For that, go to Google Play Store, go to the search option. Now in the search option, you have to search for the game and then check if there is any update available. If yes, click on update option, update the game, and then click on play button and check whether the game is opening or not. If not, you should also check whether your phone needs any kind of OS update. For that, go to settings of your phone. Now go below, click on system update, and then here you have to check if there is any update available. Then update your phone OS to the latest version and then launch the game and check if it's working. If not, then the final solution is to reinstall PlatyGuard Swarm Slayer game. So for that, click and hold the game icon over here. Now click on delete icon and then click on uninstall. So this will remove the game from your device. After that, restart your device once and then again go to Google Play Store. In the search option, search for the game, and now here you have to click on install option and then wait for some time unless the game gets installed, and after that click on play button and check if it's opening or not. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.